Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use voice builder on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and I'm going to create a post on TikTok. I'm going to click on this plus button. I'm going to upload a video from my device. I'm just going to upload this video and you can click on next. And if we want to use voice builder, we can click on this little arrow and then click on voice. You can record your voice over, or you can just apply voice builder to your video. And I'm going to apply it one by one.
Helmet. And my friends. And then I'm using this little
and I'm gonna go with this one, guys, and we can click on save.
I felt this little thing was flips.
And once you're ready to share your post, you can click on next. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use voice builder on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.